Alright, y'all, it's another day, and so as promised, there's the air horns. So we'll go up there so you can see how I did it. Climb up here on the roof, or on the hood. Alright, so there's the roof. And Mr. Matt S4290, as you can see, my roof needs some touch up too, so I'm going to have to try your paint out. But anyway, so here's the horn. I had to drill an extra hole in the center for the air lines, but I just put a little brass fitting up here. So, and it's got the solenoid. There's the 3 trumpets. And I just drilled the 4 holes in the roof. Cap right there. And then we'll jump down here and get inside the bus so you can see. Turn some light on here. Open the thingy here. And as you can see, there's where they just tie in right there. And it comes down and goes all the way, the hose goes all the way over there. And it tees in right behind the lanyard for my existing horns. So, the result is it gets air via the same air line that supplies the existing air horns and the air seat. And there's where that line comes in at, just down there. So, now, the way they're set up is I have another loading light switch in my arsenal of extra switches. So they're right there by my heaters. And the way it works, turn the accessory on, they should blow. So this is the safety, this on-off switch. So when this switch is on, you pull this switch up, and there's the air horns. So, anyway, thanks again for watching. Blow 'em. Here we go. One more time. No, the train horns. Yeah, blow the train horns, the white switch. Yeah. That. Excellent. There you go. Hopefully y'all enjoy that.